water to open up the aromas and the flavors of the chomps. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to flambe and heat up some garlic oil that I am going to pour on top. That will be considered one of the marination of the chomps. They are also marinated with some oyster oil as well as some cilantro seed and mustard oil. Right now I'm gonna help you plate the yogurt based sauce, which is this one right here, and it would also include some cilantro oil as well as some chili oil. These are our beetroot crisps that we mix with some potato as well as some tapioca water, and they are dehydrated from 4 to 8 hours, and then on top it has some caramelized yogurt dust. Leave it right here for you. Enjoy.
Thank you.